Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Flavor Ultimate. Today we are gonna make Oreo pops. So let's begin with the ingredients. First we need Oreo biscuit. This is 10 rupees biscuit. I have just took one packet here. I have separated the cream and powdered the biscuit alone. You can, if you want, you can mix it together. We need a little bit of milk to knead the dough, and we need melted chocolate. This is dairy milk chocolate. I have melted it. And then we'll need white chocolate. Since I didn't get any white chocolate, I had used Milkmaid, which I had it in my home. And then I'm gonna use sprinkles. You can either use almonds inside, or you can use desiccated coconut as well. I have just used toothpicks. You can use any ice cream stick or any lollipop straws if we have. Now let's begin. Now what I have done is I have taken the powdered biscuits, and now I'm gonna add little by little milk and then knead the dough. The dough needs to be firm enough. If you're gonna knead the dough like very sticky, it won't stand firm. So we need the dough to be nice and stiff. So let us knead the dough. I'm gonna add little by little milk, and I'll show you the consistency at the last which I require. Go little by little, add very little milk and then knead the dough. Now see, you can see the dough is very firm. It's all together. I have just made with one Oreo biscuit packet. If you want to make more, you can take more Oreo biscuits. Now let's make a small. The ball should be according to you. You can go either very small or very big. I have made very small balls over here. Let me give some tips to you over here. One thing you can do is, I have sprinkles here, so I have used sprinkles. You people can use take some almonds, take one almond and put the almond inside this, and then you can roll into a small ball. If you don't have sprinkles, then one more option will be desiccated coconut. So what you can do is, I'll show in the upcoming clips that you need to dip it into the chocolate and then roll it over a desiccated coconut. I just had sprinkles, so I did with that. You can powder the biscuits along with the cream as well. That will also give you a good taste. If you do not want it, you can take the cream separately. Now I'm gonna show you. You can stuff the cream inside this now and then roll it up into a ball and then make the pops. So this is similar to your cake pops, and this turned out to be so yummy. Please give it a try and write your feedbacks in the comment section down below. If you do not want to use toothpicks, you can just make it into a ball and just leave it as such. If you want, you can use a stick, or you can use as such. You can dip it into the chocolate and then you can take out and sprinkle some colorful sprinkles and leave it as such. Just for the purpose of the video, I'm using the toothpicks here. They were very small, so it was not firm enough for the ball to stand on the pick. Now I'm gonna add some sprinkles to this. Now you can decorate this according to your creativity, however you want. If you want, you can roll this over a desiccated coconut, white chocolate, or if you have white chocolate, you can add strawberry syrup to that, make it into pink color, and then you can give 3 different variations. One will be chocolate, one will be plain white milky, another will be strawberry flavor. So you can go according to your creativity, and this will be so yummy. I didn't get white chocolate, so I used Milkmaid here. If you have Milkmaid, give this a try. It'll be so yummy. Drain off the excess. Once you're done doing all this, leave this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes for the chocolate and the sprinkles to settle down, and then you can serve this. This is a very good option for birthday parties and a quick dessert. Guys, if you like the idea, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification as well, so that you'll get notified when I upload videos. This is the final one. Please try this recipe and write down your feedbacks below. And if you like my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Like the video, share it with your friends, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you with the next recipe. Bye guys.